Picked up the black walnut log I had milled up and kiln dried to make a custom mantelpiece. I think it's going to be gorgeous. I am really excited about this one. This is the other side of the log, and you can see this large crack. Runs about 3/4 the length of the log. It's not a problem. It can be stabilized. We'll put in some patches and butterflies. Bow ties, I think they're called sometimes. And also there's one in the front. But again, shouldn't be a problem. We'll fill that with epoxy resin and stabilize it. Should be beautiful when it's done. Got the recess completed for the mounting plate. Excited about that step completed. Moving on to crack stabilization. Well, I got the bow tie reinforcements installed, and I think they turned out pretty good. Got a lot of work yet to do, but I'm happy with that result so far. So here we are, still wet on the pour, and it's sway backed, so it's a little fuller here than it is down here, but we will fix that as it dries. Got everything taped off and a little silicone caulk dam made. So now we're ready for the big pour. It's going to take 3 days for this to cure. This is the front face of the mantelpiece. It's been sanded down to 120. We'll go further, but I want to see how this is going to turn out with this epoxy in here. And I think that's going to look fantastic. So let me show you something pretty. Five sides sanded to 220, and the first seal coat is on before we apply the semi-gloss film finish.
One eternity later.
And here's the finished mantelpiece. Multiple coats of hand-brushed semi-gloss polyurethane on top of 2 coats of de-wax shellac. I think I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out.